All right, what year was Rihm founded?
1932.
1932.
1932.
1932.
1932.
How many locations does Rihm have?
15.
15.
We have 15 total locations, 7 dealerships, and 8 lease and rental.
Can you name one of our 4 core values?
Effective.
Efficiency.
Expansion.
Values.
Equity.
And what year did it become a Kenworth dealer? Or how many years ago?
1949.
76.
It's at least 80 years.
Since 1949, so 76 years.
What street was the old location located on?
2108 University Avenue. Typed it many times.
Yeah, off of University Avenue in St. Paul.
University Avenue in St. Paul.
What was the original name before Rihm Kenworth?
Rihm Motor Company.
Owens Motor Company. And then Rihm Motor Company.
Rihm Motor Company.
Rihm technically owned motors, but Rihm Motor Company.